Today, Aslam Bhai is teaching us how to make lassi using 150 ml of homemade yogurt, 100 ml of milk and half a teaspoon of salt. This is a great recipe because you don't need any additional ingredients and you just get to stick everything in the blender. So I'm just going to quickly show you how we made this. Here we have 150 ml of our yogurt. We're now going to add about 100 ml of milk to this. This is cow's milk. Next, we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Add everything to the blender and blend it for 6 seconds, maximum 10 seconds. Don't blend it for long because then it's going to froth and it's just going to go completely wrong. It's not going to taste like lassi. And voila, that's your lassi. It's nice, it's cool, it's great to have in the summer weather. We made a lot of lassi during Ramadan. It was something we had for every single one of our series. I've got bits of footage from the lassi that Aslam Bhai used to make then, which I will add right at the end if you're interested in seeing how he made it. This is another technique of making lassi. You use a particular device, which I will show as well, and you just roll it and it mixes the milk and the yogurt together. And this is what you use. It's great for mixing and it also gives such a beautiful taste. And these are the videos that I tried to make during Ramadan of the lassi making that we were doing. I wasn't able to because I wasn't able to measure the yogurt we had. This is the container we used to store the yogurt. This is all the yogurt. Anyhow, I've added it to the end of this video for memory's sake so that we can remember how Aslam Bhai used to make us so much lassi during Ramadan.